happy birthday! Alam, first of all, sorry kayo ha kung ngit-ngit kaya akong kalibutan kay my God, brown out Dani. And you know what? Ako rin sa Dani sa balay. So, like, may gani, dili lobat ning kam. So, maghimo na lang ko, nag-decide ko nga, maghimo na lang ko og video message for you, for your birthday, na ugma, ang adlaw sa mga patay, and kamatinunin ako Dani, sa kaboring, o sa kahadlok. Pero, anyway, Rose, thank you so much for the friendship. Thank you for bringing joy to the group. Thank you kay gapalipay gid ka sa amo, and I just hope that all your wishes will come true, and I wish you success in life, and I wish you more happiness. Ay wait lagi da. Kay murag kaniya ra ganing gatingog-tingog sa sulod. Wait, tan-awon sa nako.
Hi, Rose!
Hi, Rose!
Hi, Abby!
Hi, Rosie!
Hi, Rose!
Hi, Pabi!
Hi, Rose! Hi, Nak! Happy birthday to you!
Okay, tungkol sa imo ha. Tungkol din sa imo, nag-horror film na ko. Oh my God, as in game.
Oo, kabalo ka. Nakos bodega sa Baleji. Nagkatay. Grabe ka, tulog ka. Nagikog ko dito.
Uy, grabe ka ang struggle as in pila ka day or...
Anyway, thank you sa friendship.
Thank you sa tanan-tanan, and thank you for making me laugh and smile kung dili ko happy or what.
Thank you so much for everything, not just for the friendship, but also for being a good daughter to me.
Thank you for everything. Especially sa mga mali-mali na mga family member ka to. I find everything yummy. Kung ka to imong. Sa itong ganay, pint 3 or pint 3? Thank you for the laughter. Thank you for the fun. For the love. Your share.
I'm thankful na friend ka. You're so joyful. Na kanang quirky gani nga parang kanang bisag dili kayo funny ang joke yung ga-laugh ka and all.
I know, dagat ko'y nabuhat nimo na tama o mali. Sorry sa tanan na akong nagawa sa imuha. Ay, dili ko kabalo sa akong ipanggawa, pero sorry Japon. I'm sorry if nakoy sala sa imo or what. Tapos, I hope na your wishes and dreams
Will come true. I wish you all the best in life and I hope
mag-friends for the next few years. I hope na di ka magbago.
And that may you be happy for another 365 days around the sun.
Stay happy always. Smile. Smile. That's what makes you beautiful.
Don't ever let anyone or anything bring you down.
God bless you always. I love you.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you very much and much and much and forever, ever and ever. Amen.
Amen!
Once again, happy birthday.
Barangay Koswagan.
Are you even thinking?
Charon! Bong!
Mwah.